Hi, I'm Rachel Sheldrick from the Workshop Whisperer, and we help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. Today, I want to talk to you about payment plans and whether or not you should have those in your auto repair shop for your customers. So today's topic is payment plans and whether or not you should have them as an option for your customers in your auto repair shop. Now, let's be clear here. I believe that there are two types of payment plans out there. The first of those is the ones that the payment plan companies offer, and your auto repair shop may subscribe to one or more of the payment plan companies. Your customer then organises the payment plan with that company, and the company pays you in full minus their fee. That way, the company wears the risk if that customer defaults on the payment plan, and they also do the debt collecting. The other way is when you set up the payment plan and you agree to fund the customer. Now, in simple terms, you might be wondering why any of us would set up a payment plan for a customer that we fund, but it actually happens every day, everywhere. So you would be familiar with this situation, no doubt. You have a customer who agrees to some work, and partway through the job, they ask if they can pay a little bit now and then pay it off over the coming weeks or months. This is called you self-funding that payment plan. You wear all the risk. If that customer doesn't pay up, you're the one that goes without. Now, customers, they're pretty cunning and they can make you feel quite bad quite quickly, telling you their stories of doom and despair because all of a sudden they don't have the money to pay for the work that you've done. And this is where I ask you to really stand back and put your business owner hat on. And your business needs to come first here. Yes, there's a time and a place for being compassionate and for being a good human. However, if your auto repair shop is to survive and go on to be profitable, it's actually your business that needs to come first here. Remember, whenever you think that you should let somebody take their vehicle without having paid for it when they're not an account holder, you have already purchased the parts that went into that vehicle. Even if they were on account, that payment is going to be due soon. And if you've given some extended payment terms to someone, then you're going to have to go out of pocket before they have paid you in full. That is not a situation that we want to be in. And remember, we operate on a cash flow cycle. So if you're buying parts on day 1 and you have to pay for them at day 30, but your customer is paying beyond 30 days because you've extended them some terms, you are in the hole. You've got to fund that hole. You've got to make more profit on other jobs to pay for those parts until that customer comes good with their payment plan. So why would you want to get yourself into that situation, especially when there are professional companies that offer those payment plan strategies? So you might be thinking, but I have to pay the payment plan company a fee. Yes, you do, but think of that as the small amount of money that you are paying to ensure that you get paid a bulk amount of money. It's the amount of money you pay so that that customer becomes someone else's problem if they default on the arrangement. I spoke with a customer, a client of ours last week who had one of these customers who partway through the job rang up and said, "Can we organise a payment plan, please?" When our client suggested that they use one of the pre-organised payment plan companies, the customer said, "Oh, I really don't like to use them anymore. I'd just like to organise something with you." Now, this immediately puts you as the workshop owner on the back foot, but as I said, this is where you need to put your business hat on. So they're red flags when a customer says, "I'd rather not use the payment plan companies." They're the ones telling you that they are in either financial trouble or they're looking to do something that might not be in your best interests. So if you've got somebody that is asking for a payment plan, they don't want to use your available payment plan options, you are actually better off sticking to your guns, saying no, it's cash on delivery, or saying no to that work altogether. Your business will benefit in the long run, and you will be pleased that you stuck to your guns. We help auto repair shop owners with strategies, tips, and advice like this every day of the week in our Engine Room high performance and coaching program. If you know that you need help with any aspect of your auto repair shop, then make sure you click the link here, you answer a few quick questions for us, and book a time to chat. I look forward to speaking with you on one of those calls soon.